Hello everyone, thank you for taking a moment to tune in to PMPA's YouTube channel. My name is Jeffrey Maley. I am the Director of Membership here at PMPA, and today I'm just going to show you a little bit about where you can find information about regulatory updates that are going on and how the PMPA provides guidance to its members. I know you probably thought you're in the business of making quality parts on time and getting to your customer at a fair price, but part of manufacturing is dealing with regulatory issues, and here's how we help provide regulatory assurance to our members. You can find this information through our knowledge tools, and you'll see environmental resources, you'll see regulatory issues, and safety resources. Safety resources primarily deal with OSHA. Right now, we are currently going through the list of 12 proposed changes for spring 2014 that OSHA is working on. A couple of them are good for industry, a couple of them are just kind of administrative changes, and some of them could potentially have a negative impact into industry. So we're reviewing those to provide our members guidance on those, how to adjust so that they'll be proactive rather than reactive. Under regulatory, right now I'm sure some of you are getting letters about conflict minerals and whether or not your customers' products have these conflict minerals in it. We provide guidance on how to respond, how to evaluate, how to respond, get it off your desk, and know exactly what the issues are. There's other issues that we cover, healthcare reform issues, things along those lines, different regulations. So we can always provide help and guidance with those things. We also provide action alerts. If there's something that's coming up in your area that could potentially impact your business, we'll put out an action alert to our members regionally. That way you can be in touch with your local government to talk with them about your concerns about any new regulations or your thoughts on them, as well as we also provide advocacy, and in some cases we'll testify and represent North American manufacturing to make sure that we're not being bogged down or compromising our global competitiveness because of overregulation. Another one I'll hit on right now is TRI reporting. This one's a biggie. Blissful ignorance won't save you from a $35,000 a day fine. So you got to know if you're reporting if any of these toxic chemicals, if you're releasing them in your shop, what the thresholds are. We provide a threshold calculation worksheet for our members so they can make sure they're on top of that and get their reporting out on time and how to report. Again, just one of the ways that we help. Here's a practical example of a sample of kind of how we sense make out of regulations. You can find this at PMPA speakingofprecision.com, which is our blog. A lot of other good information there. This one's about EU REACH regulations and how do you know if your parts comply or not. And we just kind of walk through the process, the questions, the guidance on how to know and how to define whether or not your parts do comply. So quick video today just about how we help companies with regulatory issues. If you have any questions about this video or the PMPA or any regulations, please don't hesitate to contact me at the information following this slide. Have a great day.